Hey guys, so it's almost 2:30 in the morning, and we're off to OOTY to shoot our first project. Some last minute packing is going on. That's our push, and here's our driver, Ahad Shahjahan, checking the routes. It's also Akosh's birthday today. Wish our man Akosh happy birthday. Thank you. So yeah, en route. So guys, it's 6:30 a.m. and it's pretty foggy. We thought we'll just fly our drone and check how the view is from top.
So he had already crashed it once.
Not me.
Wasn't my mistake, guys.
Guys, now we are gonna purchase something which is really important for human survival. That is water.
Akosh is driving right now, and Ahad is giving him driving lessons. Guys, I'm just hoping this video makes it to YouTube, since Akosh is driving.
I am in middle of something. Wait.
Fourth, fifth.
Akosh, the fans really wanna know why you suck at driving.
വലിച്ചെന്നെ നമ്മളെ കാറിനകത്ത് കയറ്റാൻ പോകുന്നു.
So guys, we have reached Bandipur Tiger Reserve, which Akosh was eagerly waiting for and praying for that this road is
Crying
open.
since the morning.
I couldn't spot a single tiger.
Yeah, he
Really sad about
wanted
that.
to see a tiger and all, but
At least an elephant would have done, but no.
So guys, we have just made it to our destination, and the vibe here is crazy.
right now Basim and Akosh are having a dance practice. So one of our tasks for the day is making dance reels, and they are practicing for it. And Basim is messing it up a big time. Akosh have already learned few of the steps, but this fellow, as usual, you know.
Paradisa. Paradisa.
So guys, it's day 2 of the trip. It's almost 7:30. We were supposed to leave at 6:30, but then due to some people.
Some people who were not letting.
Because of your sleep, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah. Anyway, so today's agenda is we'll go to the pine forest and then back here and pack up, then leave to OOTY for toy train ride. We hope we get tickets. It's a public holiday. We just hope. Let's pray for us. Anyway, okay, bye guys. Let's see you. Guys, we have made it to Pine Tree Forest. We are trying to shoot a certain transition, and Ahad has been fucking it up since 53 times.
I don't care. He doesn't
Anyway,
even
let's-
know to walk properly.
Yeah, exactly. Anyway,
Bro, the shot should be perfect. It
yeah,
shouldn't be like
right.
now.
I got in one take.
Yeah,
bro,
you
one
are
single take.
kachra. you don't know how to put a shot.
Anyway, switch to that cinematic. from mountain trails and off to
Pine forest was there level.
Now off to Kunur, no Ooty, right? Ooty for toy train ride. Our challenge for the day is number 1, get ticket to Kunur from Ooty, and number 2, make 2 new friends at Zostel. We're gonna try out Zostel for the first time. Let's hope the stay is good and the vibe is right.
So hey guys, this is Free Souls, vlogging from Udagamangalam. Yeah, whatever.
So after an hour of waiting in the queue, we finally got the tickets.
Yeah.
Turns out,
Show the tickets.
Yeah. Turns out there are no tickets
For tomorrow and day after.
It's fully booked, completely booked.
We are lucky enough to get this ticket.
Yeah, it's better you guys book it, prior coming here. That's the best
It's also
option.
the last train today, and we'll have to come back by bus. There's no return train also.
Yeah,
Anyway,
so
let's hop into the train.
Yep.
Take some shots, have fun. Bye. So we have completed our second task, which is make new friends. So say hi to Akshita and Sunita, also from Bangalore.
what to do, all Bangaloreans are here only in Ooty.
Yeah.
Long weekend.
So hey guys, I am Akhosh.
Ahad.
And Basim Altaf.
So we have been working on this project, not project basically, it's moreover like a community we want to build. So it's named as Free Souls.
For which we went on a trip to Ooty recently and shot the entire thing.
We have bigger plans for Free Souls, apart from the travel vlogs and the cinematic videos, which you guys can also be part of.
So yeah, we will be taking you guys along with us for our upcoming adventures. Kindly do DM us so that we can get to know each other well.
So basically do support us, follow our Instagram page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, save and share the reel as much as you can.
So coming to what a free soul is, and what we do.
Most of us are either working or studying or doing nothing. We have all dealt with a different kind of problems, stress, anxieties, etc.
And people are just looking for a reason to be out there, to explore, to find themselves, to find their passion, or to be just independent of the conditions that are set.
So we as free souls, we wanna be that little motivation, or wanna give that little push to people to live their life to the fullest and to be out of their comfort zone.
So as the quote goes, life is best lived outside your comfort zone. So we believe to do justice to our name and motto.
So all we need is your support to build this into a bigger, greater community. So do support us.
And share our works
Subscribe to our channel.
and be a free soul.
Yeah.
Be a free soul.
Do follow us, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm Akhosh. And and be a free soul.
Sorry.
What free?
Most of us are
Of the nation of the India. They can. എന്തിനാണ് നീ ചിരിക്കുന്നെ? എടാ നീ അങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കില്ല പ്ലീസ് എനിക്ക് ശരിക്കും ഒന്നും ചോദിച്ചില്ല.
outside your comfort.